Hello, I'm Matthew Msengati, the designer and developer. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a text style. Without wasting time, let's just jump straight into it. Let's just type something here. As you can see, this is the style that is here at the moment. Let me just make it bigger. And then from then, we can go to under the text. We can change this to be bolder. And then let's see here, letter spacing. Let's also change the letter spacing, and then we're going to create a copy of this by pressing Ctrl D. This is a copy of this, and then we are going to change the styles back to normal, starting from this one to light, and then the letter spacing to 0. As you can see, we've got this text and we've got this one. So let's say here we've got a lot of things, a paragraph, and then what we want to do, we want to apply the style of this paragraph to this one. So what we are going to do, we are going to click this text, and then we're going to create a text style. So this is text. When you hover around these 4 dots, and then you can see it's a style, then we can click there, and then these are the styles that are already here. We are interested in creating a new style here, and then we're going to give our style new style, and then we create. Then that means we've got all the text style for this text element. That means if we want this to look like this in terms of the style, we can just click this one, and then on this text here we can add a style, and then we can look for our style, and this one, it's a new style. We just click, and then as you can see that now this text is exactly the same as this one. Otherwise, that is it for me, Matthew Msengati. I hope you have enjoyed and you've learned something. If you feel like this has added value to you, please do me a favor, subscribe. Thank you so much. See you on the next one.